Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Welcome back to Code with Drew. So today we'll be talking about membership operators in Python. And when we are talking about membership operators in Python, these are the operators that we use to check if a value exists in a sequence like list, tuple, dictionary, or string. So these operators are going to help us to check whether this value exists or this value is a member of a sequence. And we have, first of all, we have sequence. And what are sequence? When we talk about sequence, and these are sequence are just like we have lists, we have tuples, dictionary, or strings. All these are sequence. So membership operators are the operators that help us to check if a value is in this sequence, any of this sequence. So we have two main membership operator, two types of membership operator, and that's the in and not in operator. So we have in and not in operator, membership operator. So talking about the in operator now, the in operator is going to return true whenever the specific value is present. If the specific value we are trying to check is a member of the sequence, it will return true. But whenever it is not a member, it will return false. So let's see an example of us using the in operator. So here we have the in operator now. So let's say we have full name. We have a variable called full name, and we set its full name to James Peter. So we have full name set to James Peter, and we have first name set to James. So if we want to check whether this first name is in full name, and this is all using a string as a sequence here. If we want to check if this first name is in full name, what we are going to do right here is just print out first name in full name. This is also using the in operator. Now we are checking this is the value. This expression, we come with the value first. We come with the value first, then followed by the sequence, followed by the operator in, then the sequence. So if I should go ahead and run this now, you will see that we are getting true because first name is actually in the sequence, and that's why we are getting true. So let's have another example right here. So I'll just comment this, and let's have another example here. Let's say we have a list of numbers, and we have numbers like this, and we have it as 2, 5, and 7. These are the list of numbers we have. So if I should go ahead and say print 1 in numbers. So now I decide not to use a variable. I'm just using a digit on its own. I'm printing 1 in numbers. So you can just go ahead and try and guess what you are going to have when we are trying to print 1 in numbers here. Now we have a list of 2, 5, and 7, right? There's no 1 in this list. So let's just go ahead and print this. Now we are getting false. That's because 1 is not a number, and that's why this is returning false. So let's talk about the not in operator. So the not in operator now, so I'll just go ahead and comment this here, not in operator. So this returns true when a specific value is not present in a sequence. So if a value is not a member of a sequence, it returns true. And if a value is a member of a sequence, it returns false. So just like we have this full name and first name right here. So let's say we have another variable. Okay, let's just say our full name now is James Peter, right? So I'll just go ahead and print out. Okay, let's just go ahead and print out the full name first. So now we want to check if Andrew is in full name. So we just go ahead and print Andrew. So writing Andrew as a string now in full name. So if I should go ahead and run this now, we first print out the full name, which is James Peter, right? And this is the code we want to do that, the code on line 17. And now we are checking if Andrew is in full name. Okay, so this is meant to be not in full name because we're talking about the not in operator. So I should go ahead and run this again. Andrew not in full name, that's true because the full name is James Peter. Andrew is not present in the full name, and that's why we're returning true now because Andrew is not present in the full name. And if you try these two For this, if you go ahead and this one right here, if you change this to not in, which we previously got false for saying in, we are getting true because 1 is actually not in the numbers, in the list of numbers. 1 is actually not in the list of numbers. Okay, here's a short exercise for you. There are 2 sequences in dictionary, a key and a value. Membership operators can be used on dictionaries. So if you use membership operators on dictionary, which sequence will be tested by the membership operators? Just go ahead and try to solve this on your own and comment your answer in the comment section. So thank you. See you next time. See you in the next video.